Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Eh? Then realization will come. One day. How 3 is 1? If I tell you, you cannot understand. Eh? You chant holy names, then automatically realization will come. Listen Hari Katha. Hari Katha is not different from Hari. Eh? This thing. Eh? You are listening Hari Katha means Krishna himself. Kanero Hitor Diya Mona Vishnu. Harinam Hari Katha enter into ears and coming into heart and destroy all your unwanted things on earth. So now coming this way, just I also told, the Krishna promised to Narada Rishi, where my devotee glorifies my sweet pastimes, I must appear. So Rohini Devi, she told, especially if I speak Braj Katha, Braj Kahini, Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj, he used this word Braj Kahini. Braj Kahini, the pastimes of Krishna, the story of Braj, Braj Katha. Krishna Balaram must appear, come there. Will come also I glorified about his sweet lila and love and affection with the Brajavasi. So someone should be guard in front of the door. Just give me, then I will change subject. Understand? This is true. This is true. So, then Subhadra, she told, okay, I will sit and in the, sitting and she also blocked the door with her 2 hands and very eagerly listen. Krishna Katha, Govinda Katha, especially Braj Katha, Lila Katha. Then Katha is going on, Krishna Katha, Mother Rohini Devi, she spoke very nice, sweet Braj Lila Katha. Our Mother Jashoda, nourishment to Krishna. Everything, all Krishna Lila Katha step by step, she spoke. And all the queens, they were eagerly listen. We are not listening because we have 2 ears, holes. They are going here and going there. Mayadevi says very tricky. She gives us 2 holes, going this way and going this way. No, you have to keep Hari Katha in your heart. Balavindavan Vihari Lal ki. So now coming this way, all the queens of Dwarika, they are very eager to listen Krishna Katha and Braj Katha. And Krishna's all sweet pastimes. And that's the Sakha, Vatsal and especially Madhurya Katha also Rohini Devi she spoke. And especially Rohini Devi she spoke Gopis and Birha Katha. Birha Katha understand? No? Separation mode. Understand? When Krishna used to go herding the cows, the how Braj Gopis, they felt pang of separation of Krishna. That time they gave up all their duty and responsibility. And they coming out from their house and standing and in front of the door. And looking Krishna's beautiful form. Our Natam Das Thakur in Bengali song very nicely glorified this Katha also. Srimati Radhika she told, hey Krishna, how possible I tolerate separation from you? Srimati Radhika she told, if I would not the lady, then always I will used to go with you herding the cows. But now I am female body, so for this I cannot go with you. Narina Korito Vidhi, if you Vidhi means no, what is called? Providence. What is English word? Eh? Providence would not give me this female body. Then I used to go with you always. Mani noy, maniko noy, anchale bandhile roy. Hey Krishna, how is beautiful. You are not the only pearls or jewels. Just to keep your money bag or bind in the corner of the cloth. You know? Money noy, manik noy. Bandhile, anchale bandhile. Always thinking how always you stay with you. Just to remember your form, then you cannot tolerate. And automatically tears rolling down. When you used to cook, then remembering to then tears rolling down. Sometimes Jatila Kutila asked, "Hey, Radhe, why are you crying? You are crying for whom?" That time Srimati Radhe, she is very clever. She put some water in the wood, then smoke coming. Then she told, no, I am not crying. The smoke making ice water. So crying. Srimati Radhika in this way, many things also. Gurudev told very nice story also. When Krishna used to go herding the cows, then all the gopis, they coming out from their house and standing on the door. Or some they also climbing the top of the roof and taking darshan to Govinda darshan. Atati jad bhavan annikanan truti jugayate tam pasyatam kutila kuntalang srimukhanchate jadadrikchatam pakchaki drisam. Gopi. When Krishna used to go herding the cows, that time gopis they can't tolerate separation from Krishna. Govinda viraha. Viraha means separation. They can't tolerate separation from Krishna. Just they want to take darshan to Govinda. So when Atadi Jada Bhavan Anni Kananan Truti Jugayate Tam Passatam Kutila Kuntalang Srimukhanchate Jada Udrikchatam Paksha Kedrisam. That time gopis they also criticized to Brahma. Hey Brahma, four-headed Brahma, you manifest our beloved Govinda, very beautiful form. But you give us only 2 eyes. So with our 2 eyes, how possible take darshan to Govinda? Possible? No harm, but you also give our eyelids. So this eyelid is also an obstacle to take darshan to Govinda darshan. Truti jugayate tam upassatam kutila kuntalang srimkanchate jadadhichitam pakchake disam. That time they also give cars to Brahma. Hey Brahma, tu mariste Brahma ji, you have to die. And you have no knowledge of melus, rasagyan. This thing. Maybe another person will become Brahma and he will give us 1,000 eyes or without eyelid. And we can take darshan with the form of Govinda. Darsana atriptata. This is the symptom of Mahabhav. Sneha, many things. So now coming in this way, Rohini Devi, she told about gopis, their love and affection with Krishna. And separation mode also. Many kathas, Braj katha can speak. Oh, just I told Gurudev once told this story. And once early in the morning, Krishna he is going to herding the cows. And first cups, small cups, going. Then behind cows. Then behind and friends of Krishna and Subal Sridham. are going. Then Baladev Prabhu, then Krishna behind. Krishna knowingly is going to back last person. Why? Because Krishna, he knows how to give darshan to gopis. For this regard, Krishna in the playing, and he also is to go to the back. These things. But sometimes he squeeze, oh, I'm coming. Krishna is very tricky also. But gopis, they are very eager to give darshan. So early in the morning, when the calves first going, small baby calves, hamba, hama, then cows also running, then behind Subal Siddham, then Baladev Prabhu, then Krishna is coming. But gopis, they are very eager. And that time Braj, everybody is thinking, oh, Krishna is coming, Krishna is going to herding the cows. Then everybody coming out. Even the old ladies, mother-in-law, father-in-law, all they also are coming out from their house and want to take darshan to Govinda darshan. Gopinam nananot utsavam. Sukdev Goswami used this word, Gopinam nayan utsav. Utsav means festival. Festival of their eyes to take darshan of Govinda. In our festival, what the festival is going on? Many things also. Many kinds of preparation, prasad. Festival means is what? Many kinds of preparation. But here gopis, what the preparation? Nayana utsav. Utsav. What is the utsav of their eyes? Take darshan, beautiful form of Govinda darshan. So, even the old ladies, and all they are coming out from their house and want to take darshan to Govinda. Then one just new, what is it called? Bride. Maybe 1 day or 2 days married. According to the Indian Vedic culture, if you are new married, should not go out from your house. You have to stay inside. And also cover face with the veil. This is the tradition of Braj. Understand? Braj tradition. You cannot do, you understand, she is man or woman. Because their belly is also too long also. You don't know. So, her mother-in-law, old lady, she told, or is her mother-in-law, she told, hey, don't go. Stay here. Because this is our tradition. Don't go outside of our house. But when Krishna is coming, he is going to herding the cows. And this sound is coming, Krishna is coming, Krishna is coming, Krishna going to herding the cows. Then all they also are coming out. The old lady, even she came to see also. She also came out. But she told her, what is it called?
Daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law, hey, you are new bride, so don't come. But she is very eager. This is his first time. And she heard this katha. Krishna is coming. She is eager. Who is Krishna? I have to take darshan to Govinda darshan. The old lady, she came out. Then she is thinking, I have to go. But she is very slowly came and just stood in the middle of the doorway. And so all they completely eagerly take darshan to Govinda darshan. All they forgot. They are all their duty and responsibilities. How the Krishna is coming. Varahapidan Narabudabopu Karnikarnikaram Vibratavasu Konakavijan Vijantamalam Randhana Beno Radasude Purane Gopa Vrindai Bindaran Sabadrabanam Pravisata Gidikirti and Sukdev Goswami Pada Aksanatang Palamidang Naparang Vidamu. Many slokas are there. How beautiful Krishna's fall. And now this new bride, she was taking darshan of Govinda darshan. This is his first time. Man, just to think, she was born in Hastinapur, Delhi. Now she has come in Braj. And this is first time. She heard the sound of Govinda darshan, and Govinda is going. Just she came and she was taking darshan to Govinda. Then her body completely was stunned. She can't to move her legs and her hands. And eyes completely stunned. Only taking darshan to Govinda. Then in this way, Krishna going. Then again all the Brajavasi returned back their home. But she forgot. This new bride completely forgot. Because her heart completely stolen. By the sidelong glance of Krishna. Is it true? She completely stunned. And she cannot move. As like statue, statue. Then her mother-in-law told, hey, I told you, don't go out. But how did you come here? And she pulling. But she is not giving any response. And I told you to don't come. But you didn't. Anyhow, she by force pulled her. She said, okay. She told, okay, your mind, I understood. Your mind completely stolen by Krishna. Krishna is not the son of Nanda Maharaj. He is called also Bhuta, ghost. Ghost possesses your body. Nanda ke Bhut nahi hai, Bhut. Now, Bhuta understand, ghost entered your body. But you have to do something, then your mind will be fixed. That time the mother-in-law, she told to her, okay, bring the jogat and chant the jogat and get the butter. Go this room. Then she came another room and brought mustard seed. She forgot which pot is jogat and which pot is mustard seed. She brought the mustard seed pot. And also turned to chant. Govinda Damo Dharmadavete. Govinda Damo Dharmadavete. Then if you chant the mustard seed, then mustard seed automatically what? Spread everywhere. Very difficult to also collect. Then after a few minutes, mother-in-law came. Hey, I told you chant the jogat, and what you are doing? And this is not the jogat, this is the mustard seed. I told, don't go out from my house. Now, Bhuta, the ghost possesses your body. How to do? Okay, now we'll go to bring water from the well. But she is a new bride, according to the Indian culture. New bride, how possible she will go alone to bring water from the well? Then mother, okay, take this, the pitcher, and also one rope, and bind the pitcher and bring up and put and also pull the water from the well. But she will go alone, so for this maybe other small baby put under arm. And she is going. But her mind completely stolen of Krishna's sadlam glance. And in her mind just chanting Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. Anyhow she came in front of the well. But she forgot which is the baby and which is the pot. Then she took the rope and tied around the baby. Baby is crying, but she is not listening because her mind also gone. And she also put the baby inside the well. Then someone saw, hey, Hare, what you are doing? Baby will die. Then came. Then her mother-in-law heard this. The mother told, I told, hey, don't see the son of Nanda Maharaj. He is not the son of Nanda Maharaj. He is called the ghost, the son of the ghost. Nanda ke put nahi, Nanda ke ghoop, Nanda ke bhoot. This is the Leela is going on. Vrindavan Leela this is. Because if you take darshan to Govinda, what your position you can understand. You did not take darshan, now you are happy. If you take the darshan to Govinda, then your life will finish. You will become mad. Who will become mad? Do you want to become mad or not? Half mad. Now you are half mad. Sometimes you say you are half mad. Not complete mad. If you take darshan to Govinda, then you will become
completely mad.
Completely mad. Evam vrata sapranama kritva jatanurago dusachai asati atho rodoti roti gayanurmadava nittati lokavajja. So now coming in this way. Rahini Devi, she told all the sweet pastimes of Krishna in Braj, and especially separation mode. And how Braj Gopis, they have separation from Krishna. And what the best of it, when Krishna disappeared from the last dance, and all the gopis cried for Krishna. And Jayati te odikam janmana braja srayata indira shasa atrahi daita dikchatam dikshutavaka tridita savo tvang vichinnate sadadudasai sadhujatase sarojasi jodari srimushadrisa suratana tate sulkadasika varadhanignato neya kim vada tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi viviritam kalmasahapam Sravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grihanti Te Bhuridajana Katamritam Tapta Jivanam Kaviviritam Kalamasahapam Sravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grihanti Te Bhuridajana. Rasa Gita, Gopi Gita. Very separation mode. So just I also explained, when Mother Rohini Devi, she taught Krishna's and Gopis highest separation mode. That time everybody also crying. Even the queens of Dwarka, they were crying. And they forgot everything there also. Even Subhadra Devi, I told Subhadra Devi, say, block the door, 2 hands. But she forgot everything. And listen Krishna Katha, Govinda Katha, Viraha Katha separation. And in the meantime, Krishna Balaram came. I told where the Krishna Katha, especially Gopis and Krishna separation mood, then Krishna Balaram came to Then Krishna and Balaram, they seated. And the left and right side of Subhadra. And continue. Mother Rohini Devi, she also spoke many Krishna's Viraha Katha. Viraha Lila Katha. And Then Krishna and Balaram and Subhadra's body completely what? Melted as the ice. Ice melted, and in the hands, legs, and everything is melted. And this. In the meantime, Narad Rishi appeared. Narad Rishi came, and Narad Rishi saw Krishna's this melted form. We are looking at Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra. Many people will be asking, Krishna's many forms is very beautiful, attractive. So why this eyes, dilated eyes, and no hands, no legs, only big mouth smiling? They say, what is this? Because they don't know. This is the highest separation mode, highest divine love of Krishna towards his devotees. Then Narad Rishi came and also did many stava stuti. Then again Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra returned back their body. Then Krishna very pleased with Narad Rishi. Then Krishna asked Narad, you ask any benediction I will give. Then Narad Rishi told Prabhu, I saw your very nice, beautiful and melted form. And that form you have to manifest in the material world. And everybody also glorify how you have your love and affection with the Brajavasis. And especially gopis, they have love and affection. Then Krishna told, okay, hey Narad Rishi, I am giving this blessing to you. This form will be called Jagannath form. So Jagannath form means this. Viraha, separation from the love and affection of the Brajagopis and Brajavasis. So today is very super excellent, auspicious day. So in Jagannath Puri, and that today and they also celebrate the Krishna, that is called bathing festival. That is called Sana Yatra. And because this is the hottest month of Jagannath Puri, very hot. And Lord Jagannath, he wants to take bath. And for this regard, they arrange in Jagannath this festival. Malo Jagannath ki jai. But too much taking bath, then tomorrow Jagannath will become sick. Too much cold coach. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. And from tomorrow Jagannath will not give darshan also. His temple completely closed, door closed. But now Jagannath is sick. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Jagannatha Jaya Jagannatha Jaya Jagannatha Jaya Jagannatha. Hello Jai Jagannath Jai Baladev Jai Jagannath Jai Baladev. Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami. Oh Baba tume Baba tume Baba tume Baba tume. Jai Jagannath Jai Jagannath Jai Jagannath Jai Jagannath. Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami. Oh Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami. Baba tume Baba tume Baba tume. Oh Jai Jagannath Jai Baladev Jai Jagannath Jai Baladev. Oh Jai Jagannath Jai Jagannath Jai Jagannath Jai Jagannath. Jai Baladev Jai Subhadra Jai Baladev Jai Subhadra. Bolo Jagannath Swami Nayana Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा जी की जय, स्नान जत्रा महामहोत्सव की, हरिनाम संकीर्तन की, जय प्रेमानंदे। शिव जय जय गोरा चांदी हारती कसुभा शिव जय हरे जानवी तटवन जगमन लोभा हरि जग निर्मन लोभा गौरांगेर आरती शोभा जग निर्मन लोभा
गौरांगेर आरती शोभा जग निर्मन लोभा
गौरांगेर आरती शोभा जग निर्मन लोभा गौरांगेर
आरती शोभा जग निर्मन लोभा
जय निताई गौरंग जय निताई गौरांग निताई गौरंग जय निताई गौरांग दक्षिण निताई छाम पामे गदाधर दक्षिण निताई छाम पामे गदाधर हरि कटे अद्वैत वासु छत्रधर निकाले हर बसे आचन गौरा रत्न सिंहासन बसे आरती करें आदि देवगणे आरती करें हर नर हरि आदि पुरी श्यामल डोलाय हरि आदि संजय मुकुंद बासु घोषयादि गाय
संजय मुकुंद बासु
शंख बाजे घंटा बाजे बाजे करताल बाजे बाजे करताल मधुर मृदंग বাজে পরম রসাল মধুরামৃতঙ্গ বাজে বহুকোটি চন্দ্র যিনি বদনায় উজ্জ্বল বহুকোটি চন্দ্র যিনি কল দেশে বনমালা করি ঝলম কল দেশে বনমালা ও শিব সুখ নারদ প্রেমে গদ গদ শিব সুখ ভকতি বিনোদ দেখে গৌরার সম্পদ ভকতি বিনোদ দেখে গৌরার সম্পদ ও জয় জয় রাধা কৃষ্ণের যুগল মিলা জয় জয় রাধা কৃষ্ণ যুগল মিলা আরতি করেন ললিতাদি সখী গণ আরতি করেন ললিতাদি সখী গণ ও মদন মোহন রূপ ত্রিভঙ্গ সুন্দর মদন মোহন রূপ ত্রিভঙ্গ সুন্দর পীতাম্বর শিখে পুছ চূড়া মনোহর পীতাম্বর শিখে পুছ চূড়া মনোহর ললিত মাধব বামে বিষভানু কন্যা ললিত মাধব বামে বিষভানু কন্যা নীল বসনা গৌরী রূপে গুণ কন্যা নীল বসনা গৌরী রূপে গুণে কন্যা নানাবিধ অলঙ্কার করি ঝলম নানাবিধ অলঙ্কার করে ঝলম হরি মানবী মোহন বদন উজ্জ্বল হরি মানবী মোহন বদন উজ্জ্বল বিশাখাদি সখী গান নানা রাগে গায় বিশাখাদি সখী গান নানা রাগে গায় প্রিয় নর্ম সখী যত চামর ডোলায় প্রিয় নর্ম সখী যত চামর ডোলায় শ্রী রাধা মাধব পদ সরসি সয়াসে শ্রী রাধা মাধব পদ সরসি সয়াসে ভকতি বিনোদ সখী পদ সুখে ভাসে ভকতি বিনোদ সখী পদ সুখে ভাসে রাধে গোবিন্দ জয় রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে হরি बोल हरि 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 बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि जय सुगंध विकाग्रधारी श्री राधा बिहारी जीव की जय जय श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय जय नित्य लीला पृष्ठं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत शिला भवन गोसाई महाराज की जय जय नित्य लीला पृष्ठं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत शिला नारायण गोसाई महाराज की जय जय नित्य लीला पृष्ठं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की जय शिला गोविंद गोसाई महाराज की जय भक्ति रख श्रीधर गोसाई भक्ति प्रमोद पुरी गोसाई महाराज की जय शिला रूपानुग गुरुवर्ग की जय हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय सचिनंदन गौर हरि की जय संवेद गौर भक्त वृंद की जय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि ओम वृन्दा वै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः भक्ताभिः वञ्चाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय 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 श्री महाप्रसाद की
Did you see the wall they made with all the pictures? 20 years of preaching.
Maharaji has a few publications which he has done over the years, and if you're interested to have these and come next week to you about what they're about and everything. Would anyone be interested? Yeah, please go ahead.